Hello and welcome. Today I wanted to work on this wine bottle. Had this for a while. It's a neat little bottle. It's got some nice little accents, got some nice little pieces of metal on it. I want to basically fill this thing with dirt, put some rocks in it, and put a plant in it and see if we can make a planter, have a vine grow out of it. If you like these little projects that I do, give me a like, give me a subscribe, and if you have any suggestions for any kind of projects you'd like to see me try, leave it down in the comment section below. Basically, for one of these, all we need is a bottle, rocks, some good quality dirt, and a vine. Alright, let's get started. Make sure you start with a clean bottle. This bottle has been thoroughly rinsed out, as have these rocks. These are just normal, everyday, run-of-the-mill rocks that came out of the path in my backyard. I rinsed them, cleaned them, got all dirt off of them, and you fill the bottom of the bottle about an inch. Had a bit of a mishap here. A rock got stuck in the throat of the bottle, and I tried to force it through, and it broke this little hole in it. It's an easy fix though. Just a little bit of glass glue. Hold the piece in the hole for a second, and it'll be all good. Now, we simply fill the glass with dirt. I'm reusing some of my old dirt from some starter plants I had. It's still good dirt, so we're going to work perfectly fine. You want to get the bottle pretty full. Once the bottle is pretty full, we simply take a stick and compact the dirt down. We want it to be packed nicely. It doesn't have to be too tight. The roots will be able to grow down in there pretty easily and fill up a lot of the space that's left. Nice close-up action shot of getting that dirt compressed. So what I believe we have here is a silver philodendron, but I'm not sure. I don't actually know what any of my plants are in my house except for the spider plant. And basically these, I had a real nice shot of the little nodes or little bumps or like little tiny offshoots next to the leaves on these, but I lost it somehow. Basically, you take that little node thing, push it down into the dirt, and that will eventually grow roots as long as the dirt is wet. And basically this is how you can clone one of these plants. And that's basically all I'm doing with this, stuffing that little node in there, getting it under the dirt, and hoping it'll take root. And finally, we just add water. There is the final product. I like it. I think it'll be a nice addition to my already cluttered counters and my little plant corner in the kitchen. Here it is next to another one I've had for probably 10 years now. Look how thick that root system is. That's all I'm hoping, is that this other one will do the same thing. It's going to have a very slow growth, but a very long and easy life. Thank you for watching today.
Again, if you like these ideas, just give it a little like, give it a little subscribe, and I'll keep doing them.